So now Silhouette Soft is now in India. I'm one of the official trainers for the country. We used to have a lot of thread lifts available in India till now, but they were mostly from Chinese and Korea, and I don't think these cogs threads or threads they work at all. I have been disappointed with their use and I've not been using them in my practice. Silhouette Soft is the only USFDA approved thread which is available in India, or for that matter in the world. So what it does is, for someone in the late 30s, mid 40s, or even in their early 50s, if they want some amount of lift and they don't have enough amount of affordability as far as the cost is concerned, or even as amount of the downtime which a facelift surgery gives you. You'll have some amount of scars, bruise and swelling after a facelift surgery, which there for next couple of weeks. If you can't afford that, then a Silhouette Soft is a very, very good option for you. You don't have that much amount of downtime. You get an instant result. You can see the lift. The result which you see also keeps improving for next couple of months because of collagen stimulation. Obviously, it cannot replace a result of a facelift or neck lift surgery, but the result which you get is very, very natural. You get a very beautiful result for most of the faces, the neck. Come and meet us and discuss about it. We can show you a lot of pictures of the patients who have got silhouette facelifts done, and I'm sure this is going to change the aesthetic practice in our country.